Section 8.4.2, Attack Scenario, Part 1. Let's go through an attack scenario by exploring the exploit concepts to better understand the basic attack flow when someone is exploited. Breaches R Us is a ransomware gang. They are the malicious actor. Recently, the Breaches R Us gang, we will call them BRU, performed a data breach on SPAC, a professional social networking site. BRU stole the profile data from millions of SPAC users, which included their names, usernames, passwords, and company names. Nice Peeps Corporation are the good actors. Today, the BRU is targeting the Nice Peeps Corporation, NPC. In the breach, they found the username and password for an NPC employee. BRU will use this to exploit the NPC network. An NPC employee, Goofy, had a SPAC account, so that means BRU has his password, username, and company name. BRU is going to use the Goofy credential to hack his computer to steal an admin password. Using the admin password, they will move to the Ubuntu server and install ransomware or steal files. Their goal is to infect the NPC Ubuntu server with ransomware, which will encrypt all server data, making it impossible for the NPC to continue normal operations. NPC will be forced to pay millions for the decryption keys. Let's see how this will work. Step 1. BRU uses a Metasploit exploit on an unpatched vulnerability using credentials found in data breach. The Mimikatz module is used to exfiltrate password hashes for all users, including network backup admin. Step 2. The BRU gang uses John the Ripper to crack the backup admin password hash. They then use FTP to log into the Ubuntu server using the backup admin credentials. The result is the BRU gang now has admin access. This gives them the ability to install ransomware files, exfiltrate company secrets, and add a backdoor to Nice Peeps Corporation. We need to remember that an attack is the steps an adversary takes, but hacking is when you make something do an action it wasn't intended to do. Hacks work because of vulnerabilities. The steps the Breaches R Us gang took in their attack of Nice Peeps started with recon of the company they were going to attack. In this case, they found the profile for an NPC employee named Goofy. Then, they exploited the device and the organization that Goofy uses by remotely accessing the device. They looked into how to use privilege escalation by changing their permission from just a user to the root so they can access all NPC data. They used exfiltration to steal data, specifically secret files from the main NPC Ubuntu server. There are two main categories of vulnerable data for exfiltration. The first one is user credentials, such as usernames and passwords. This is something we need to be especially careful with for users with administrative rights. The second type of data is proprietary data. These are trade secrets, like research for new products or the recipe for the secret sauce. This can also be a key to a Bitcoin account or database of bank accounts. Finally, they set persistence by installing a backdoor to gain future access without having to exploit or steal a password.